Donald Trump's legal counselors they will vociferously challenge the hunt of Mar-a-Lago very nearly 14 days prior on Fourth Amendment grounds. A previous government investigator dismissed the lawful danger and said their legitimate test implies they are trying in vain. Showing up on MSNBC's The Katie Phang Show, lawyer Shanlon Wu blamed the previous president's legitimate group for thrashing about chasing protecting Trump. On Friday, Trump took to Truth Social and stated, "A significant movement relating to the Fourth Amendment will before long be documented concerning the unlawful break-in of my home, Mar-a-Lago, just before the consistently significant mid-term elections. My privileges, along with the freedoms, everything being equal, have been disregarded at a level seldom seen before in our country. Keep in mind, they even kept an eye on my mission. The best witch hunt in USA history has been happening for a very long time, without any outcomes to the tricksters. It ought not be permitted to proceed." Fox News then, at that point, revealed Trump attorney James Trusty, a previous government examiner, said that Trump's lawful group is going to show up serious areas of strength for extremely hard, expressing that they will be going after the court order utilized in the FBI's strike on the previous president's Florida domain. With Trusty adding, "It ought to be something that gets openly documented. So the entire United States will get to peruse this thing." As per Wu, their endeavors are ill-fated to fail spectacularly. "Do you think it is simply traditionalist?" Have Phang inquired. "Do you imagine that they think we could have been discovered holding the sack a smidgen here, so we want to sort of get up to speed and show the public that we are really accomplishing something in the interest of Donald Trump? I think this is traditionalist," Wu concurred. Viewing at it from the place of an examiner as well as the guard counsel, it simply seems to be an extremely confused methodology at this moment. They appear to be thrashing about, they're giving a wide range of various thoughts a shot, he expounded. So there is most likely a decent lot of inner turmoil concerning how they ought to continue as of now. That is the perused that I get, and it is genuinely traditionalist in there's not an exceptionally sound subject. In 1 second, they are discussing this as an illegal pursuit and the freedoms have been disregarded, and another second you hear Trump discussing how he really declassified the data and nothing remains to be checked out. They can't decide on what to do, is my view on it, he added with a chuckle. I don't know. I'm not a legal counselor, never played one on television, and don't profess to be one. Yet, in the event that you know something about governmental issues, by need you will generally become familiar with an unexpected surprise about the law. They sort of will generally cross. Also, you can see when somebody is in so far over their head that they couldn't actually see the outer layer of the sea any longer. It has been generally detailed that Trump is making some Helluva memories getting a top-level regulation group to safeguard him. He asked John Sale, a previous government examiner and bureaucratic safeguard legal counselor, accomplice in a white shoe law office to shield him, however Sale deferentially passed him over. Deal is that sort of a person. Thus, Trump continued on toward his next legitimate decision to guard him against secret activities charges, Florida protection attorney Lindsay Halligan. Sweet Jesus, why not simply set aside the money and go with a public safeguard? Gracious, no doubt, I neglected, Trump doesn't take care of his bill.